We, we support you because you're an action man. We support you because you are a fearless man. We support you, you see and talk. We support you, you see and point. We know that as we are growing, you want young ones to grow along with you. That's why we are here with you today. I hope you will not disappoint us. And I know with the leaders surrounding you, you will not disappoint us. I want to ask our brothers and sisters in local land, do you want this governor? Do you want this governor? So, do you want this governor? If really you want this governor to come to Open side, go back home and start working till the 11th November. Both have been relocked. And I want to assure all of you, you will see the vote will raise from the central. When you have a wife, you kiss her, it will look attractive to men. If there are no display, to hear your action, to hear your commitment, so that those of us from other states will now buckle up to support you because of tomorrow. I want to beg all of you, nobody is perfect. Our senator might have stepped you one way or the other. Please forgive him, as God is going to forgive all of us. PDP! PDP! We are expecting. You can see our deputy governor standing behind the governor's candidate. Yellow is coming. We are also planning for another yellow. We just bring them.
Number one, the Bible says for everything there's a time. The time of Dino has come. The time of Kogi West has come. And I say this because one good turn deserves another. About 15, 16 years ago, as Shola Akomode said, myself and Dr. Stephen Achema, who is a scion from the East, we came to Ijumu local government to bring out a governor. By some calculation, it didn't work. Today, it is history that we are now having another Ijumu son. Nothing is going to break this one this time. When we had the election that brought Ibrahim Idris, when the votes of East and Central against Audu were counted, PDP was shot. When the votes of Kogi West were brought in, that is how Ibrahim Idris became governor. West brought 94,000 votes and were short of 74,000, were down. And that made a difference of 14,000 plus. That's how Ibrahim Idris became governor. The West has always stood behind the East. In the making of Captain Idris Wada, the West stood tall. And they made him. We who are grassroots politicians, we preach this message door to door, house to house in Igala Basa land. All we are asking you people of the West is don't disappoint us from the East. Because what we will do for you from the East will be bewilderment to you. So let us go back home and tell our brothers and sisters, it is our time. It is your turn. My second issue is I'm a critical person. If something is not good, I will tell you it is not good. When you look at the pedigree, the experience, the capacity, the capability of everybody, without exception, on the 11 political parties fielding candidate for governor, Senator Dino Melaye stands out by experience, by capacity, by the ability to take on the monster. You know, please, Kogi West. You may have your children, I will have my children in Kogi East. But me, I am a quality person. As of today, as of this election, you don't have to like Senator Dino Melaye, but you want a performing governor in office. That person is Senator Dino Melaye. PDP! Power to the people! I want us to go with this message. And on 11 November, there will be no place for any violence. There will be no place for any result writing. There will be no place for any magu-magu. Please, all our agents, collation, at every point, defend your vote and bring it to the collation center. PDP!